Hello, you are on the Coffee Life platform, and today we will review an innovative product, the flagship product of the platform, designed to become the best assistant and friend for beginner and professional traders, called CoFo Scout, which is a highly advanced tool with cutting-edge features. What problem is he expected to solve? He decreases risks and offers the quickest evaluation of the market condition for the specified instrument's financial indicators at the present time. So let's determine how to utilize them, and from the perspective of configurations and from the perspective of every individual component. Therefore, in the left tab, we are able to see the tools that are currently present and accessible within the CoFo Scout application. Every separate column indicates the number of signals in long or in short and is highlighted in the identical color shade. At 15 mins, we observe 7 short signals collected on this asset. At 30 mins, there are 9 long signals, and so on until the final tab. When considering each cell, it is crucial for you to understand that the determining factor in this tool lies in the data obtained from these 3 specific time frames: a week, 3 days, and 1 day. These time frames are considered trendy due to their alignment with the long-term trend of the asset's direction, making them popular among investors and traders. If we take 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2, we can conclude that this is a scalp assessment. If we consider the average time frames, we can conclude that this assessment is specifically for intraday trading, which includes day trading strategies. And this particular tool is capable of extracting valuable data from a total of 42 different instruments. This tab consists of both basic tools that are widely recognized and accepted by traders around the world, as well as unique developments of the best tools and indicators in the world, such as Ishimoku, Big Splash, Gaussian distribution, RCI Premium, MFI Premium, Trendline, Random, Impulse, and one of the strongest tools, Market Flow. These tools are highly valued and utilized by traders globally for their effectiveness in analyzing and predicting market trends, making informed trading decisions, and maximizing profitability in the financial markets. Taking into account this layout and examining the data from the indicators, let's make an attempt to further comprehend the tool and at the current moment understand how to utilize it and what advantage it provides you as a professional or novice trader in the financial markets. Within this long or short tab, we have the ability to see the overall number of signals that have been collected in the long or short term for a particular position. With a complete schedule ranging from 15 minutes to 1 week, we observe a total of 48 extended signals out of 420 in your possession, and a total of 45 signals in the short direction from 420. In this direction tab, we can clearly see the dominant direction that remains in the long position for this particular asset. The Power tab displays the strength of this long. Synchronization by timeframes demonstrates the overall dominance of timeframes for certain signals for long or short positions. And accordingly, the infographic fills up and displays the probability of long or short positions for each asset. If we now evaluate the complete market structure, we will observe that the market is in a moderately neutral position, as there are no clear signals for long or short positions. This is because we recommend considering the signal strength above 35% in the Power tab. The company Collective Forecast and its CoFo Live platform recommend considering the signal strength above 35% in this tab, as this tab can also display 50, 60, and 70% as well. The complete range of percentage is 100. Commencing from 35%, we are able to observe potential impulses on a variety of different assets and analyze their impact and implications. During a full market rebound in either direction, whether it was a major correction or a major long, All time frames were engulfed in a single color, indicating complete intensity at that particular moment. And in the Power tab, we observed the potential of taking a long or short position on nearly all assets that are above 35 or 40%. This is a critical moment because the tool enables you to demonstrate a full market reversal in either one direction or the other. Nevertheless, how can you effectively employ these tools in relation to both strategic planning and daily implementation in order to maximize benefits and optimize time efficiency? Let's consider the Litecoin asset with you. We see that the lower time frames have received several short signals, while the dominant direction is long, and most importantly, on the higher time frames, we also see signals that are gathering for long trades. We can adjust our settings and wait for these signals to discharge and disappear, and then we will also have green cells. But if we want to work from a risk assessment perspective, because the asset allows the trader to orient themselves faster, we see that in this setting on the 15-minute, 4-hour, 8-hour, 12-hour, 1-day, 3-day, and weekly time frames, we see 71 long signals out of a possible 294, 0 short signals, and a 24% possibility of going long. The start of an intriguing position. The infographic displays the circle filling up, indicating a fascinating activity for observation and risk assessment. It offers valuable insights into the dynamics of the position, guiding decision-making based on risk assessment for working in a specific direction. Furthermore, we can continue to go through the assets together, fully enable the entire layout, and see, for example, the data of these assets for ourselves and gain a deeper understanding of their characteristics. We turn off for 4 hours, we turn off for 8 hours, we turn off for 3 days, and we turn off for a duration of 1 week. We are creating a certain day trade layout for ourselves, and at this stage we see that the phantom asset has collected enough signals to get a correction within the day. The probability of this correction, as you can see above, is over 40%. If we turn off and in 12 hours, we will see that the FTM phantom asset has collected 123 signals out of 252 possible in short and signals in long on this tab 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour or 2, that is, within the day. To the day, and even for 3 days, we have collected so many short signals that the asset shows a probability of correction. The probability of short is 48.81%, and the dominance according to this time frame is 100%. And in the infographic, as you can see, this circle is also highlighted for you to focus your attention on and take note of. In order to evaluate it for a trader, the trader can switch to the tab, analyze the asset for themselves, and make a decision to work with it in either the long or short term. However, when considering long-term trading, it becomes apparent that working with the asset in a long position is already very risky due to the accumulation of a significant number of short signals on these time frames. Therefore, the CoFo Scout is specifically designed to solve the task of analytics for traders, effectively replacing multiple managers and saving valuable time. By utilizing this tool, traders can enhance their decision-making process and mitigate potential risks associated with long positions in the market. We extend our invitation to you to join the platform for independent work, to autonomously evaluate this tool, and to obtain maximum benefit from it through your own efforts and utilization. Unleash the best version of yourself, become an outstanding trader, make space for your favorite activities and hobbies, and unlock your full potential and success.